Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up Google Merchant Center for Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting up your Google Merchant Center for your Shopify store enables you to list your products on Google Shopping, run ads, and of course, increase visibilities. Now, once you are logged into your Google Merchant Center account, once everything is okay, for example, you have set up your account here, the next thing that you need to do is to prepare your Shopify store. Once you have created your Shopify store account, all right, so the thing is we need to create our online store here. Go to sales channels and go to the themes, wherein you can simply choose from any of the following themes right here. You go to the popular free themes, or you might want to click the visit theme store, because we need to establish our Shopify store and then create products later on, and that would we are going to connect to Google Merchant Center. Now from here, you might want to choose from the free and paid plans or themes, because if you opt for the paid themes, you would notice that the themes are in different prices. There are like themes at $250, there are like $280, $380, depending on the creativity, dynamics, and of course the responsiveness. There are like 400. All right, but for now we're gonna skip that and just opt for the free ones. If you click this, we would notice that these are going to be the free themes that we can start our Shopify store. We can simply go to the spotlight, for example this. If you click this theme, you might want to click the view demo store to check the responsiveness of this theme via the desktop version or the mobile version. Once you are happy with that, click the try theme for now. You would be forwarded and adding Spotlight to your online store themes. It's very important for us to optimize our website. All right. And from here, we can use a custom domain, not a Shopify default if you wanted. All right. Now, if you want to click the view our store right here, you would notice that this is going to be our store. All right. And we already have the featured products. Now, if you want to add more products right here, all you have to do is go to the X button here. Let's switch over to adding a new product. All right, so click this add products. After setting up a store, let's click on add a new product. We can put in the name of our product as this one right here. All right, it's very important to make sure we create an optimized products. We can put in medias here like product images, just like this one. Wait for it to load. We can put in the prices right here. All right, once we are happy with the product, click on save. And then the next thing that we need to do is to set up taxes and shipping. All right, how do we do that? Go to the left side panel of your dashboard. There's going to be a settings here. Click that. You want to make sure that you configure taxes and shipping here in Shopify to align with your Google Merchant Center requirements. All right, you want to make sure that go to shipping and delivery, and of course taxes and duties right here. So you can create a shipping zone in the regions you want to collect tax in, then find the region in this list and select to manage it in tax settings, and that should align with your Google Merchant Center requirements or account. After doing so, let's exit for now and go to the App Store right here on the left side panel of our dashboard, because we need to go to the Shopify App Store and install the Google Channel app. All right, type in Google. You see that Google Channel app, and this is going to be the best match for the third-party application that would link our Google Merchant Center account with Shopify. Click on install and you would be forwarded here. Now all we have to do is click the install button. We need to configure the Google channel. All right, and from here all we have to do is to connect our Google account here. It's very easy. Now, what will happen is once we click the Connect Google account, it will sync products to Google Merchant Center. The Google Channel app will automatically sync your Shopify products to Merchant Center. And of course, from here, we can monitor the status of the products. All we have to do is click the Google Connect Google account. There should be a pop-up small window that is requesting to access the Google Channel by Shopify to your Google Merchant Center account. And as you can see, you can now get started with the Google and YouTube. And of course, if you want to set up the Google Ads measurement conversion, you can click the option right here to get started. And if you want to set up the Google Analytics 4, you can also do that here. And from here, we can set up the online store. The Google and YouTube app allows you to reach the billions of shoppers on search, maps, and YouTube. Now, all we have to do is very simple right here. You just have to click the connect your Google Merchant Center account. And if you want to create new one, you can do that, but let's just click the connect button. Now here, all you have to do is enter your online store URL, which is going to be the Shopify store. Click on save. You would be forwarded to confirm here, and there should be an option where you can select how you could verify. And of course, we're using the e-commerce platform of Shopify. Click on it and click this option that here that says Shopify. You need to copy the HTML tag generated for your online store. All right. And click the, you see this, go to online store, copy this, and verify your online store. All right. Now we're going to do this. Let's go to the themes, live themes, action, and edit code. Now, once we have successfully pasted copy the HTML tag generated for your online store. All right. We go here and of course, paste this generated right here. Click on save and then hover down here where it says verify your online store. Click on it. All right. And then you should be able to successfully connect these accounts. Otherwise, if you're having problems confirming the online store of your business and having problems connecting your Shopify to your Google Merchant Store, just click this option right here that says help and click the contact us option. All right. Go to this question right here, type in your question and forward next. What will happen is Shopify integration questions. Click on next step right here. And we need to identify the troubleshooting steps that we can do for us to be able to fix our store problems. And Google Merchant Center help will do that for us. They would give us insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. All we have to do is send an email and they will respond in few business days. Once you have set that up, you should regularly check the Google Merchant Center for feed errors or account issues. And of course, you always use the Google channel in Shopify to track campaign performance and make adjustments. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.